What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're going to be working with Tuneful hair. This is my first time, I believe, ever working with this hair company. And y'all, all right, first things first, this wig literally blends in with my skin. Like, that's good though, because it looks natural, but it blends in with my skin crazy. Like, I'm like, do I look weird? Like, I feel like it blends too good, but I love it. Like, I love the color. I was sent this ginger brown 5x5 transparent closure wig, and I believe 24 inches as well. Now, since this is my first time working with this hair company, I'm going to tell you guys all the things you need to know about this company. Now, first things first, the lace is transparent for sure. Can't find the lace. Where is the lace? The hair, in the video, you guys are going to see me play with the hair a lot as I'm straightening it, because it's like every time I straighten the hair, I'm just like surprised at how soft and silky this hair is while I was straightening it. And you guys know I always spray my little magic hair protectant on my wigs, but y'all, this hair is giving. Like, as I'm doing it, I'm like, this hair type soft. It's giving silky. Now, yeah, this hair feels really good. It really feels soft. I barely had any type of tangling. I barely had any type of shedding. The only shedding I had was when I plucked the wig just a little bit. But honestly, y'all, if you're beginner friendly, you do not have to pluck this wig. I honestly do not have to pluck this wig. But I'm extra, so I went ahead and I did a little plucking. Like I said, this is 24 inches. I'm not sure about the density. That will be down below. But for 24 inches, I feel like this is good. Could have been like a little bit thicker. But other than that, the softness and the silkiness makes up for that. Like I said, so far, so good with this wig. I would recommend it. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. If you guys want this same exact wig, the link will be down below. But y'all, I'm really surprised at how this wig turned out. Like, wasn't expecting it, because I'm like, this is gonna match my skin to the T, and like literally, like it's matching. Like, it's literally blending in. Like, when I tried to put makeup on my part, it was like, what's the point? Because it's like I didn't even need it. Below, I feel like I'm chatting. All the details will be down below. If you want the same exact wig, that link will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.